today's question is from banking. The question is, Aryan deposits rupees 1600 per month in a bank under recurring deposit account. If he gets rupees 31,080 at the time of maturity and the bank pays 10% per annum as the rate of interest, find the time period of the deposit. So how do you go about? So first let us see what are the informations given here. Deposit 1600 per month. So the principal is rupees 1600. Pays at the rate of 10%. So rate 10%. If he gets rupees 31,080 as the maturity, so amount received on maturity is rupees 31,080. These are the informations given. What we need to find out? The time period. That means N is how much. Now we know interest is equal to P into R into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into 100. That's the formula for finding out the interest in case of recurring deposit, where P is the principal, R is the rate percent per annum, N is the number of months. We have converted into months, that is in N by 12, N into N plus 1, by 2 into 12 into 100. Now this interest is what? Interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount minus principal is interest. Is equal to P into R into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into 100. So now we'll substitute the values. A is given 31,080. Principal is given 1600. What this principal we have paid per month. We have paid per month. For how many months? For n number of months. So this formula, this will become P into N for n number of months. So this will be 1600 into N, because 1600 per month is equal to principal 1600, rate 10, N don't know, N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Hope you have noted this. P is the principal, that is 1600 per month, and we are paying, Aryan has paid for n number of months. So for n number of months, P into N, this much amount has been paid. So amount minus this will be my interest. So 1600 P is the principal, which is 1600 into N. So now we'll cancel these two zeros out. So with 4, 4, 16, 4, 3, 12, this 2 cancels 2. So this becomes 31,080 minus 1600 N is equal to 20 N into N plus 1 by 3. So if you cross multiply now this into 3, this will become 0, 24, 3, 93, 240 minus this into this will become 4800 N is equal to 20N into N, 20N square, 20N into this plus 20N. So this equation will become 20N square plus 20N, and this will also go there, so it will become plus 4 4800n plus this will go minus 93,240 equal to 0. So this is resulting as 20 n square, this plus this 4820n minus 93240 equal to 0. So if we cancel this by 20, if I cancel this by 20, this will become n square plus 241n minus 4662 equal to 0. If you are cancelling it by 20, you can do it. If you are cancelling by 20, then we get this n square plus 241n minus 4662 is equal to 0. Now we'll go for the middle term. For this, we'll find out for 4662 what may be the factor. 4662. We'll try to find out. 2 to the 4, 3, 3, 1. Go by 3, 3, 7, 21, 2, 3, 3, 7, 21 to this. We divide by 3 again. 3, 2, 6, 1, 7, 3, 5, 15, 2, 7, 3, 59. Now we divide by 7. 7, 3 is 21, 4, 9, 7, 4, 9, 7, 7. So from here, what we can get is, if I multiply these two, 7 into 7 is 49, 7, 3, 2, this is 259, and this 2, 3 is 6, 3, 18. So 259 minus 18 is 241. So that is the middle term we got. So 259 and 18. So this will be equals to n square plus 259n minus 18n minus 4662 equal to 0. So if we take n common, n plus 259 minus 18 common, this will also give me n plus 259 equal to 0. So this is equals to n plus 259 into n minus 18 equal to 0. Therefore, either n plus 259 equal to 0, which implies n is equal to minus 259, which we are neglecting because it cannot be negative. Neglecting, you get n minus 18 equal to 0, or so which gets n is equal to 18. So the number of months, therefore time period is equal to 18 months. That is our answer. Hope you have followed this, because it's a big sum, and to finding out the time period is the most important sum, because generally the questions that you get is either to find out the rate of interest or to find out what is the principal amount, what is the monthly deposit. So this is the rarest sum where generally comes to find out the time period, which is very, very important. So we have discussed this. Now I'll give you another question for you to practice. Come out with the answer in the comment.